This is the Ford Mustang model loaded into Blender, and there's some sort of skybox around it for renderings, but we need to remove it. So press tab in, and I already deselected it before. Then I hit 1 on the keypad to change the view to front. Then I press 5 on the numpad to change to orthographic view, and let me set the viewport shading to wireframe. Zoom in a bit, then B to draw box selection close to the car in the middle. B again, and select all the stuff here. X key and delete faces. You can also try the circle selection. Just hit C, then draw like using a brush. It's a bit slow if you got a model with high poly count. And yeah, you can't delete it right now. You gotta hit return before to confirm the selection. Then press X, and yeah, delete faces should work. No, it didn't. Then hit Ctrl Z to get the selection back. X again. And yeah, edges should be the right one, or not. Maybe vertices. Okay. Now we can always select everything with A and hit period on the numpad to zoom to selection. Oh, there might be some vertices floating around, but not caring too much. We can also change the view to select some other stuff we can't see yet. And yeah, hit return after circle selection. Numpad 3. Okay. Edges and faces. Vertices. Still something left, okay. Should be fine now. Let's see. Yeah, it zooms in right to the car. But it's still got way too many faces and vertices. So tab out for object mode. Go to modifier tab and add remesh. There it is. Remesh is kind of slow, and what it does is it takes the model as it is and tries to recreate the geometry using using cubes basically. And there are different modes: sharp, smooth, and blocks. And if you set it to blocks, you see the cubes it uses. And for smooth and sharp, the most outer cubes will get some extra calculations to match the original shape. See, this is how it would look made of with just a few cubes. That doesn't look much like a Mustang anymore. And you should disable remove disconnected pieces, or it will remove lots of stuff. And I think smooth is the best choice. I also tried sharp, but it did not really look good, and the general problem of this modifier is that it creates holes. And if you increase this to say 6, you'll see what I mean. It looks pretty crappy, but maybe it's okay. It's a low poly count, and if you put a good texture on it, it might look well in game. But if not, the only other way is to recreate everything. Like take the original model and do all the meshes again, using really few vertices and faces. Okay, this is how it looks. Not too bad actually, but it's still 6,000 faces, and you need to know, as this remesh modifier uses cubes, these are all quads, meaning if you export for Call of Duty, all of them will be turned into triangles, so this is actually 12,000 vertices. Oh yes, 12,000 vertices and 12,000 faces. This is how the outer shell looks. Not that well, but you can recognize the shape. But if I set this to 5, it gets worse. Although it uses way less faces.